a step-by-step guide on how to repaint the front side of a tall building. You'd need the following equipments: ladder, high-quality exterior paint, painter's extension pole, paint roller, paint tray, small paintbrush, drop cloths, buckets of water, rags for cleanup, and gloves. Step 1. Prepare and set up the ladder. Always check the ladder for stability and proper placement. Place the ladder on solid ground, leaning it at the correct angle for safety. Pro tip: check weather conditions and avoid painting on windy or rainy days. Step 2. Prepare the paint and tools. Set up the painter's extension pole with a roller attached to reach the higher sections. Fill the paint tray with the right amount of paint. Pro tip: stay organized. Keep all tools and materials organized and within reach. Step 3. Paint the main surface. Dip the roller into the paint and begin painting the main surface of the building. Maintain a wet edge by overlapping each stroke slightly to avoid lap marks and streaks. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. After a few minutes, descend to reload the roller, with the assistant holding the paint tray steady. Step 4. Reapply paint to the roller. Pro tip: maintain clear communication with your partner to ensure smooth workflow and safety. Step 5. Paint the soffit and edges. Use a small brush to paint the edges and areas the roller can't reach, ensuring a clean and professional finish. Step back to inspect the work, making sure there are no missed spots or uneven areas. Make any necessary touch-ups with the roller and brush. Step 6. Final inspection and cleanup. Step 7. Bring down the ladder. Carefully, bring the ladder down, ensuring it is done safely and without damaging the building or surrounding area. Pro tip: always work together when handling large equipment. By following these expert tips, you can achieve a high-quality professional finish. Catch you on the next DIY.